Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel the Audible membership. First, please understand you cannot directly cancel your membership using the mobile application. You must navigate to the Audible website using either a desktop or a mobile web browser. Log into your account there, ensuring you use the same credentials as usual. This initial step is crucial for accessing the correct membership management page, where all your details are located, and you can begin the process. Once you are logged into the Audible website through your browser, look for your name in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your name will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Details to proceed. This page serves as your central hub for managing all aspects of your Audible membership, including your payment information and subscription status. It is the gateway to initiating your cancellation. On the Account Details page, scroll down until you locate a section related to your membership plan. You should see a link or button labeled Cancel Membership. Click on this link to begin the formal cancellation sequence. Do not worry, clicking this button will not immediately terminate your membership. Instead, it will lead you to a series of prompts where Audible might offer alternatives or ask for your reason for leaving. This is a common step. After clicking Cancel Membership, Audible will likely present you with several options to encourage you to stay. These might include offers for discounted months, pausing your membership for up to 3 months, or even a free credit. Carefully review these offers. If you are determined to cancel, simply decline these options by selecting No Thanks, Continue Canceling, or a similar prompt. Remember, pausing your membership is a good alternative if you just need a break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.